Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file sales and use tax in Tennessee. Begin by registering for a Tennessee tax account and getting your account ID. Next, identify which sales are taxable and which qualify for exemption. Collect the correct tax rates at the point of sale and keep detailed receipts. File returns on time to avoid penalties and remit payments electronically when possible to streamline compliance and record keeping. Gather the correct combined state and local tax rate for each location where you sell. Train your point of sale to apply tax rules and record exemption certificates for qualifying customers. For out-of-state purchases where no Tennessee sales tax was charged, calculate and report the use tax owed. Reconcile collected tax to your accounting records monthly so returns are accurate and payments match your filings to avoid audits and penalties. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tax tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping for effortless floors while you handle bookkeeping. It's a handy time saver for busy small business owners who hate chores. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Determine your filing frequency from the state and prepare returns showing gross sales, deductions, taxable sales, and tax due. Use the Tennessee online portal to complete returns and schedule payments, making sure to select electronic payment by ACH if required. File returns and remit payments by the due date to avoid interest and penalties. Maintain copies of each filing and proof of payment for at least the period required by law for audits and reviews.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.